It's Johnny Jones, and I'm here at home again. And ladies and gentlemen, boils and ghouls, this is a package. My package. Ain't it big? I've been told. So this came today, and just give you a little perspective, there's my hand. This thing is massive. I got this on eBay. Now sometimes you get on eBay and people just don't know what they're selling. They were selling a lot of radios, right? And there was this one radio, they called it a radio, that was turned facing away from the camera with two little prongs out the back, you know? Two little weird prongs, they say. And never seen anything like it. Almost looked like UHF connectors. I said, what radio is that, huh? Well, they said radio. Now, I wouldn't have told them it was a radio. That would have been lying. But I said, so that little black box, what is it? They turn around and send it to me. I said, I gotta have that. So I paid, keep in mind, I paid $70 for this, okay? Let's get into it. Oh, jeez, what a monster. What are you? What's your name? Midland. Oh, LSB USB AM. That's nice, good to see. That's a weird rocker switch right there. You see that? That's weird. You don't see those. I had grubby fingernails. 23 channel. Okay, I get it. We don't want no 23 channel radios. Well, did you know that you could change the crystals in these and have channel 38 lower sideband and upper sideband? That's right. All you have to do is change a crystal. My God, that's a gigantic. Look how my hands are huge. That is a big damn radio. That's a huge radio. God, it's got to weigh 10 pounds. Damn. All right, that's one. One down. I'm going to crush my palm balls. Anyways, what's the next thing? What's this? Bracket. Some sort of precarious device used for transmitting, I suppose. Yes, Turner Division. Oh, it's a power mic. It's a power mic. Ah, with a phono plug. I don't know what that's for. Oh, another bracket. Now these brackets, they used these a lot back in the 70s when radios were a lot more expensive then, and so they popped them in and out of their car. Because if they didn't, they get stolen. So they'd slide them in and out of their car using those brackets. If your package arrived damaged, it did not. It was already. Here's the little black box. Stamcom 100 T-bill linear amplifier. They had it turned around like this, and like it was from far away. It was a really kind of bad picture, but. I was like, what is that? There's no way in hell that's a radio. I know for sure. I know what a damn amplifier looks like. But just to make sure, I asked them to send me a picture. The front, that's what they sent me. I paid $30 for this lot. Plus shipping, I was in tax, it'd come out to $70. Come on, there's got to be more goodies, right? Well, that's a realistic TRC 427. That's a 40 channel. It's in nice condition, too. Quick capacitor change, if everything's fine with it. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be worked on either. I don't see any damage to the back, any signs that people have been prizing it open. Nothing. No drops. A lot of times if it gets dropped, that connector will be bent in the back. Comes with a Radio Shack mic, too. So that's probably the original. Oh, there we go. Like fucking Christmas if I celebrated it. Hey, what's that? It's a weird. Someone's broke it out to put a different knob there. Side Talk 1000M. Pace. USB, LSB, 23 channel. Damn, that thing's heavy. It's nice looking. I'm telling you, these things were built like tanks. You could commit manslaughter with them. I would say murder, but you know everyone gets manslaughter now. Oh, there. What's this? Ah, there's what I was talking about. They slide them in and out of their cars. What is this? It's like a Uniden, you know? Gymtronics, 23 channel, built like a tank. It's even got the tune for the crystal synthesized radios back in the day when I've seen a case like that before. Basically, when everything was crystal synthesized, you'd be a little bit off sometimes. You use this thing called Delta Tune. If someone was slightly off frequency, if they were off frequency to the lower, you'd change the frequency low, high, just like a clarifier for a sideband. No different. Just a little more broadband. I think that's about it. I don't think there's anything else. Pretty sure that was all. Just making sure. Sometimes you surprise yourself. My God. It's gonna be packing peanuts every frickin' where. Well, at least I can play in them. I like playing in them. You ever get a bunch of packing peanuts and shove them into your underwear and walk around and make yourself look like you have a big wang? No? Me either. I didn't do that. Anyways, so this is going to be a beaut. This is going to be a great couple of videos. I know I have a lot of stuff in the works right now, but I have to see if this is going to work. You know what's going to make that work? I'll tell you what's going to make it work. I got myself a power supply for $18. That's right, they're selling power supplies, 30 amp power supplies for $18 on Amazon. Now I know what you're thinking. Boy, I wonder what he looks like. Well, too bad. Anyways, you can get an amplifier and a power supply for like $100. Because before, like, if you go and buy yourself a damn Pyramid supply or another name brand Micronta supply or something, they're gonna cost you $100. You can get an $18 power supply, a $50 linear amplifier, or if you can go higher if you want, you can go $200. Not that you ever need these, to be honest with you. Guess where I talked to the other day in my mobile station? You saw it. It's in the red truck. I made a video of it. Guess where I talked to? Guess. Nope. Close. That's pretty close. No, you realize now I've forgotten, right? Yeah, you guys know. Okay, I forgot where it was. Okay, but I traced it. It was 668 miles away off a barefoot radio. And so I'll probably, to be honest with you, sell this if it works, because I just don't talk on the radio, guys. If you guys want this, shoot, you know what I might do? I might wait to give one away. Leave a comment. Leave a comment down below and tell me if I should give this away or not. I might do it at 1,000 subscribers if it works. If it doesn't work, you won't see it again. Anyways, this is Johnny Jones, I think. I'm here at home. I think, you know the thing. I'm sorry, I'm doing Joe Biden. I'm here at home, and I'll see you later.